Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just minutes? Let me show you how with Canva. So, hey everyone, welcome back into the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creation with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, you are in the right place. I will guide you step by step draw the process so you can start creating a catchy content that grabs attention. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and videos with its drag-and-drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts. Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization, enabling users to create personalized content for various purposes, from marketing to personal projects. So to get started, all you have to do is just click over sign up and write your personal information like your email address and your password. Then you'll find your account. So this is my account, and I will show you how you can create and make short videos. So first of all, you have just to click over search your content and canvas. Then you click over Canva template and you search about short videos YouTube. So we have here some examples as you can see. So here we have it. So right now you have just to select the filter that you want. For example, you have to select YouTube videos and you select if it's related to business or other things. So I will show you how you can do that. You click over all filters, you select the category that you want, for example business. You have here docs, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, invoices, proposals, and we have reports also. I have also here social media like Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, and also we have here education, videos. We have like video here, Facebook videos, video messages, mobile videos, and other things. I will select here YouTube videos. Then I will scroll down and I will search if here we have other things like here marketing, business cards, flyers, logos, posters, brochures, and we have menus, newsletter also. We have your brand products like photos and gifts, cards and invites, and then we have cards and invitations like cards, postcards, and then we have your format if you have a video, if you want video or mobile video. Then we have the style here if it is modern, minimalist, simple, colorful, and here we have the language, the theme also, and also here we have the feature and grade here, subject, topic. Then we have the price. I will select the free one, then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find these examples. We have here 1860 templates. You choose the one you want. For example, I will select this one, and then I will click over customize this template. So as you can see here, we have it. We have it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to zoom also here, then we have if you want to add a page, and if you want to start watching this, then we have here also other links like for add a comment, the page, if you want also background color, animate, and we have also a timing position. So right now I will show you how you can do that. For example, here we have design elements, we have text, so I will add a text here like that. So I will select when I will put it. I will write for example here. Firstly I will delete this one. I will delete this one. Then I will delete also this one. And also this one. Then I will also delete this one, and I will write here, for example, something like that. Like that. Then I will write here thanks, for example, thanks, or so I will just add a text here. I'll add, for example, here thanks. Then I will just change first of all the color. Alright, like that. Then write here thanks for watching. Here we have the size. So here we have it. Thanks for watching. Then I will add also here add a heading. For example, I will write don't forget, for example, I will write my channel. For example, channel here. And I will put it in. So I'll put it here. Then you put also other subheading here, for example, add for example here. So sorry, right now you have just to add something here like don't forget to like, and comment. Then that's it for that. I'll put it here. Then add a little bit of body text. I'll write, for example, for example, advice: be always the best. Like that. So here we have it. Then also you can edit if you also have big picture remover, color, we have also crop, flip, then we have a transparency, animate, position, and we have copy style also. And if you want to also here recently used, you can add it here like that. Then also we have your print if you want to add logos, colors, fonts, and print voices, photos, graphics, icons also. Then you have uploads also here. If you want to upload some video or audio or images, then we have draw here. If you want to just add something here, for example, I will select this one. I will just like that. I can just come back like that. So this is how it works with Canva, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.